Hey y'all, Carolina Tony here. Today the road brings us to Laurel, Mississippi, and there is a popular HGTV show shot here called Hometown. And the Hometown is a show about Aaron and Ben Napier. They renovate homes. Pretty neat show. My wife told me about it, so we came to explore, and you get to come with us. And we'll get started right after this station identification. Laurel is a town with about 17,000 people, the last census. Pretty neat show here. Lots of old buildings that they have been redoing. And there's a show. There is a truck just like this that Ben drives around town. And this Laurel Mercantile is one of the places that they will come visit occasionally during the show. Let's walk inside and just see what's in here. Pretty neat. Copper earrings that are made here in Laurel from upcycled from naturally patinaed copper that once was on the roof of buildings in the historic district. How about that for repurposing? And here is a photograph of Ben and Aaron. We're just going to be here a short while, because we were just passing through and it came up on our radar. So hey, you know, we may never pass this way again. You know, if I was a singing group called Seals and Cross, I may record a song. We may never pass this way again. In the 4th season of Hometown, Ben and Aaron was gifted this Airstream camper by country music singer and songwriter Chris Stapleton. And in the May the 25th episode, they renovated this Airstream camper. And by the way, the camper had a name, Charlene. I had heard that before Hometown became a TV show that Laurel was virtually a ghost town. But since the TV show, there are tours, there are restaurants. The TV show has renovated over 80 homes and buildings, and it's basically a thriving business. Pearls is one of the places that Ben and Aaron will go have lunch at occasionally. It's a old school diner type. Let's see if I can sneak inside. It's not really time for lunch yet. Good. And here is the Scotsman General Store. Let's go inside and take a look. Oh, it says, "Quiet please, filming in progress." Just all kinds of little things in here. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time.
And then she said a vision.
The houses are similar to one of the houses that they will take and remodel. I don't know if they're doing that or not. But look at this house coming up here. I think these folks are decorated for Halloween for sure.
Oh.
The Bonanza theme.
So fast you can.
This is called the Bird Dog. This is one of the old homes that they renovated, and it now has little snacks and t-shirts and books and collectibles. And it was one of the buildings featured on the show. Here is a overview of Laurel. Pretty cool town. Oh, look over in the distance, I see a smokestack. I wonder if it's an abandoned textile mill.